Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to log in TradingView in Phone Easy Guide. Open the TradingView app on your phone, tap Account, choose Sign In, enter your email and password, then tap Login. If you use Google, Apple, or Facebook sign-on, tap that button and approve access. If you forgot your password, use Reset Password, follow email steps, and return to login. This will get you into charts quickly and securely. If you run into trouble logging in, stay calm and follow a few quick checks. Confirm your internet by toggling Wi-Fi or mobile data, then restart the app. Make sure your email is spelled correctly and remove any extra spaces if you pasted it. Try Reset Password if needed and follow the recovery email instructions, then retry sign-in. If issues persist, contact TradingView support for account help and next steps. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful content. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks, so go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They keep your feet comfy during long trading sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals related to this recommendation. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Security matters when you log into TradingView on your phone, so let's keep it simple and effective. Turn on two-factor authentication to add a second verification step when signing in. Avoid public Wi-Fi for trading, or use a trusted VPN if you must connect away from home. Always install app updates promptly to get security patches and new features. These small steps help protect your account and your trades.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.